Other students, hi, come. Now, everything we know. Okay, we learn the grammar in our classwork. We not learn in any of the lesson of grammar in the textbook. Everything. You have your this golden grammar book. Now, today we will learn the grammar in this textbook of golden grammar. So, in the golden grammar, our first lesson is proper nouns. Our first lesson is proper nouns. So, elements know what do you mean by nouns? Remember, here it is given in the textbook. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. कोई भी person that is human being, place means जगह का नाम, animal का नाम और thing means कोई भी जगह का नाम. They all are nouns. Noun is of two types. Noun के कितने types होते हैं? Two. That is a proper noun and common noun. In the proper noun included the name of person and name of place. Proper noun में दो ही चीज include होती है. कोई भी person का नाम और कोई भी place का नाम. That will come in the proper noun. And in the common noun we will tell about the name of a thing and name of an animal. They are common noun. In this chapter we learn about a proper noun. Here, a proper noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. A proper noun is the special name of a person, place. Here, animal and thing will not come. All proper nouns begin with capital letters. जितने भी proper nouns है, they all will start with the capital letters. From the class first onwards, you learn it. The name of every person, name of every place, name of any rivers, name of any holy books, name of the mountains, all the natural things will start with the capital letters. They all are proper nouns. If the proper nouns has a more than one word, all the words except small words such as the, of, etc. begins with capital letters. Here some of the example is given, that is Dr. Kapoor. So D of doctor and Kapoor of K is capital. Royal Circus, the Bay of Bengal. So the we will not need, no need to write capital, but B of Bay and B of Bengal will be a capital. The Pacific Oceans. So P for Pacific and O for Ocean, that is capital. Mount Abu, Godavari, the Mughal Gardens, the Times of India, the Arabian Sea, Mrs. D'Souza, Marathi, the Himalayas, Onam, Mars, Gitanjali, the Titan. So if you will look, यहाँ पे जहाँ पे O है, the है, of है, वो उसकी first letter capital नहीं आएगी. No need to write that letter capital. But remaining name of any person, name of any place, name of the river, that all will be a first letter is capital. Now in page number 3, if you will look at page number 3, in the exercise A, write down the names of the following. Each name should be a proper noun. Yeah, name of your father, your mother, the principal of your school, your class teacher, the building where you stay, your favorite festival, your best friend, in the city which you live, in the state which you live, your country, your favorite cartoon character, and your favorite movie. All this of the exercise 1 you will write by your own. क्योंकि वो सारे आपको आपके चॉइस के लिखने हैं. Your father's name, your mother's name, your teacher's name, your principal name, your state name, your country's name. That everyone you know about it. And some of the answer you have to write by your own. That is your favorite festival, your best friend, your favorite cartoon character, your favorite movie. These all are the proper noun. So every you will write the first letter capital. आप क्या करोगे? जो भी word लिखोगे वो सारे के first letter capital. So exercise 1 of page 3 is your homework. Remember, exercise A, page 3, homework. Every first letter you will write capital. Now we will come on the next page, that is exercise B. Rewrite the sentence given below, beginning each proper noun with the capital letters. Here I told you name of any person, place. The first letter is capital. In this sentence which one is given, and that first letter may be not given the capital. So you have to write the first letter capital of every given? In April, my parents went for a short holiday to Europe. In this, April A and Europe की E, both in capital. April की A और Europe की E, वो दोनों कैसी आएगी? Capital. So in this, in your textbook, first sentence answer it is already given. In April, my parents. You have to write the sentence as it is. There is no change at all. Sentence में कोई भी change करनी नहीं है. जहाँ पे comma है, comma लगाना है. Full stop है तो full stop करना है. If it is asking you a question, put a question mark. But you have to write that as it is. Only the first name of the person and place capital. So the A capital in April. Then comma. My parents went for a short holiday to Europe. Europe की E capital. Now, the sentence answer was already given, so I will start with the answer 2 only. What it is given this year, which falls on a Sunday, means ये साल by which Sunday को आ रहा है, तो by which का B और Sunday का S वो capital आएगा, and remaining sentence you will write as it is. A this year, then if it is comma is there, we have to write the comma, then which BHAUEJ which falls on a Sunday, falls on a Sunday, Sunday की as capital, then full stop. Put full stop after completing every